Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a sci-fi and fantasy art using StarryAI. Let's get started. First, open the StarryAI and log into your account. Then here, click the plus create button. And in the prompt box, describe your sci-fi or fantasy idea vividly. You need to be descriptive, be detailed and specific with your prompt. Then, after typing your prompt, you can now choose your art style. For a magical worlds, you can choose fantasy or sci-fi or cyberpunk for the futuristic looks and adjust the aspect ratio if you have a upgraded version of Stereo AI. And once done, click generate and let the Stereo AI create your masterpiece. And that's it. You can now save and share your creation with friends or use it as a digital art for your projects. From deep space cities to enchanted kingdoms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.